What's up, y'all? This is your boy Jack back again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the AMD Ryzen 5 5600. I'll leave the link in the description. You can get this on your big box retailers, AMD Direct, and things like that for $299. It's a part of the 5000 series, part of CPUs. And right now, because of the shortages and people want them, some people are charging a little bit more. I wouldn't recommend paying more than MSRP for this particular CPU. This one is an unlocked CPU, 6 cores, 12 threads, base clock of 3.7 gigahertz, boosts all the way up to 4.6 gigahertz. Total L2 cache is 3 megabytes, total L3 cache is 32 megabytes. Like I said before, it is unlocked based on the 7 nanometer process. AM4. So the good thing about this one, if you currently running a Ryzen 1600, 2600, or 3600, this particular CPU will still work. You might just have to do like you might just have to flash your motherboard or whatever the case may be. The TDP is the same as the 3600, 65 watts, and then obviously, supports Windows 10. Max temperature says around 95. I think operating temperature, from what I've seen, because it does have the Wraith cooler, is anywhere between 69 and 75 degrees based on how much you push it. I wouldn't recommend overclocking it too much, but to each his own. Let me see. And again, it should be pretty standard about what you get in the box itself. All right, usual books. Here's the processor itself. Very excited about this. Been waiting because I've been waiting to put pieces into my my PC build with the 6900. I'm not gonna pay. I'm not gonna overpay. It's just I can just wait, and I was able to find this, and I was able to wait and get it for MSRP. So just please be patient. And there's the Wraith cooler. So definitely a good deal. Some of these unlocked CPUs or some of these higher SKU CPUs do not come with a cooler, which sucks. And so basically you're just paying just for the processor itself. So again, this video is not going to be too long. Like I said, I'm going to be doing some more videos and some comparison videos and things like that. I was just waiting for this, and hopefully I should start pumping out some more content. So if you guys got any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know, and you can leave them in the description. And until next time, you guys take care of each other. Peace.